Hello. Hi. Hello. Welcome to the live stream. I'm feeling a little low energy tonight. This is Game Maker. I'm making a game in Game Maker, and it's called Clip Idol. It's a minigame collection. Basically, if you played WarioWare, you've got a pretty good idea of what I'm trying to make here. Let me show you. I'll demonstrate it. The game's mostly finished. What's this? Filter screen shake. That's strange. It's missing something. Is this some kind of a... Is this from the update that happened today? This didn't happen before. It should be installed now, but it's not doing stuff. Oh, there we go, there we go. I hear it. Can you hear it? I guess I'll turn on the desktop audio. It's a little loud. So here's the game. I made it. There's 3 different music tracks. There's a turbo mode that goes really fast. There's an erase score mode that erases your high score. It might be in testing mode, so only one game might appear. That's the one I was working on last time. I remember it. Oh, and when you click out of the window, it pauses automatically. I coded that too. It seems this update broke a few things. Might have to fix them. That's what happens if you click too early. I'm trying to make it so that's supposed to be a fish. And you hit him with it. You keep doing it. It goes to the first monitor automatically when you turn it off. Alright, let me turn the music back on. I guess I'll make Spotify louder. Yeah. So, in total, there's 9 minigames right now. They're all in these different rooms. 1 through 9. This time I have the full monitor on the vertical livestream. So, if you squint, you can see it. It's all there. So if I turn... This is the object that powers the game. If I turn the testing mode off, it should play the full game. Hi, Wolfgang. I'm doing good. Hold on. Wow. I'm still not used to Clip Idol loading this fast. Ever since I got this new PC, games run a lot better, including my own. So this is a game that I'm currently making. Yeah, it's a WarioWare. Wow, thanks. I'm glad you like it. Huh? Wait a minute, she's not supposed to snap to the ground. Oh, this is the Dark Souls. Spent a while drawing that one. For some reason, it's stuttering. It might be because of the update I just did. Oh my, that is really bad. Might have to roll back to the previous version of Game Maker. Still working on it? Yeah. It is very jittery. What does it look like? Oh shoot, it's on the wrong monitor. Oops. I forgot you couldn't see it. I feel silly now. This is the game. I'll probably do this one now. This mini game. The one with the hands and you tear stuff apart. Yeah, my bad. It seems something changed in the way that the frame rate works. The way I made clip idle work is that it increases the frame rate of the game, and the fact that the frame rate speeds up Game Maker, that's actually a limitation of the engine. But I actually decided to use it as a core feature of clip idle to speed it up because I couldn't think of a better one. It worked fine before, but it seems like doing that is biting me in the butt now. Because now it's skipping frames. It stutters every time there's a new beat. I think I gotta fix that. Oh, but if I could fix that core issue, I might be able to publish it on mobile and web browsers after all. So people have, yeah, that's bad. That's real bad. That's catastrophic even, because that means I don't only have to do art now. That means I have to do technical stuff. I like have to rewrite the core of the game. Even this took a lot of work, a lot of figuring out. Yeah, global actual delta. I tried. Yeah, technical stuff. I don't. I'm more artist brain, so coding doesn't really come naturally to me. Actually, let me see if this works. Because this is kind of a hybrid approach that does not work. I tried rewriting that when I was trying to make the game work in the web browser, but it didn't work. In fact, I probably made it worse. Let me see if this changed it. Oh, you can't see it. So when it speeds up and it's not skipping, that means I fixed it. Oh no. Yeah, they didn't change. That changed nothing. Oh my. This might have to change from art to software development, because this needs to be addressed ASAP. Yeah, this is unacceptable. Can't be having that. Okay, this is a software development stream now. Hold on. Where's Twitch? I guess I gotta... Okay. Guess I gotta figure out a different way to speed up the game. Not sure what I should do now. Okay, I'm gonna have to troubleshoot this. Hold on. Here, start this. Here, start this while I try and figure out what to fix. Oh, what's the best way to speed up an entire game? Group speed is the easy way to go, but hardly the best. Oh, game speed. Game underscore speed. Alright, let me take a look at the script again. Game speed. No, that's not a function. Game speed microseconds? Oh, actually... I'm gonna see what this does. This could be what I'm looking for. Or maybe not. It almost is. Okay, that's way too fast. I just gotta figure out what the numbers are. So that might be what I'm looking for, actually. Microseconds in a microsecond. 1e plus 6. What the heck does that mean? I'm not math-brained. There are 1 million microseconds in a second. Okay. Let's see. Eh? Wait, something's wrong. Oh, it's the commas that's throwing it off. Okay. Okay, now it's too slow. That ain't it. Okay, yeah, that's definitely not it. Maybe if I get rid of some zeros. 1,000? Oh great, now I have to put a seizure warning on this live stream. Okay, not 1,000. It's gotta be bigger than that. Oh, that's almost normal. So this extra zero makes it much slower. This don't make sense. You have to look at the documentation. That's not the documentation. Oh, I gotta update the manual too. It'd do that automatically, huh? Here's the manual. Okay, let's see. This function can be used to set the game speed. You can set this in one of two ways. As either game frames per second, or as microseconds per game frame, using one of the following two constants. Microseconds per frame. That must be new, because I don't think that was a feature before. 33333? Well, clip idle runs at 60 frames. So maybe it's 66666. Then I'm gonna have to, like... I don't know, do math. My favorite activity. Oh my. It's not working. Did I do one too many sixes? I'm just gonna see what this is. I mean... So that's 33,333 frames. Microseconds per frame. There are 1 million microseconds in a second. So if I divide this number by 6, then I might get the amount that I need. Or is it 60? $16,666. One, two, three, 4 sixes. I'll see if that works. Oh yeah, now it's normal.
Okay.
Alright, so I just gotta do that for all of them and see what happens. Okay, so, okay, Mr. Calculator Pants. I'm in need of your services. Divided by 70. 14,200. This really big number. Oh, that's nice and even. Alright. Oh, and that's killing, but I'm just doing math. This riveting math gameplay. $10,000. Oh, I could just add a couple zeros. Oh, I gotta get rid of the commas, because that's gonna throw off the code. Alright, let's see if this works. Maybe I'll try uploading it to a website and then see if that lets it run. Okay, let me get rid of this calculator. This might be good, actually. Because the fact that this game speed was tied to the frame rate, that kind of bothered me. It's still really choppy. Jeez. Why is it doing this? Watch it get drawn on her. It seems to do the exact same thing, where it skips a bunch of frames. But actually, I want to try this on website. I gotta do this off screen because this is personal info. Upload as a game? I'm gonna see what this does. Damn. I guess so. Oh, look at this. It got all the consoles that you could publish to. Oh, Game Maker brought back the one-time purchases? Oh, the Enterprise is monthly now. Commercial license? Oh, so, like... I guess I still need the Enterprise license to export to console. That's cool. Game Maker 2. That's when I bought it. Back when it was Game Maker 2. Game Maker Studio 2. So what I would need to buy it again to update the license, is that it? Oh, it was cheaper back then. I think that only covers Windows exports. Monthly year. Oh, $80 a month for Enterprise. Interesting. Here, stare at this. Stare at this while I read the code. I think I gotta change my info on Game Maker's website, because my real name's on there. My real life name. Okay, I'm gonna change my email address to my VTuber. My VTuber one. Alright. Sorry, it's not very exciting. Profile picture's good. Oh, do I need to download Opera GX? I guess I don't have a choice. I used to use Opera GX. I guess I like Firefox better. I used it because it used less RAM than other browsers, so it was good for my old tablet. But now that I don't have to keep an eye on my hardware quite as closely, I didn't really need that anymore. Oh, look at that. Well, no, don't look at that. It's got real-life location information. Don't want to share that. Here's Opera GX. Guess I got assigned to this. And then this will let me test out the game in browser. Really? You're gonna do this? Hate that. Okay, don't look. Whatever. Cookie? Take the cookie. I think it's stuck like this. It's stuck. This sucks. Didn't expect this to turn to a troubleshooting livestream. I should be logged in. I am logged in, but it's not letting me do stuff. So how exactly do I export it? Or like, test it? Oh boy. This is becoming very complicated. Do I still have Opera GX on my phone? That way I could play Clip Idol on my phone. See how it works. Continue? Continue? Don't make it my default. So how am I gonna scan the QR code? QR. Where is it? GX corner? Maybe? Oh, here. Why isn't it working? Forget it. I can't figure. I just. This update screwed everything up. So upload. A little confused. Very confused, even. Okay, if the game compiles... Oh, it did. Look at this. It's in the web browser. Check it out.
Okay.
So far, so good.
Okay.
Doesn't seem like it's speeding up at all, though.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't seem like anything changed. If anything, it's going slower.
Okay.
Um... I'm just curious, what happens if I multiply the number instead of divide it? Here's the calculator. Make it something ridiculously larger. Integer divide by 0? It shouldn't be dividing by 0. I didn't tell it to do that. So here's what the larger number does. And that's not what I want. Absolutely not. So I don't know. Is this really the only way to speed up the game? What if I exported to Android? Hmm. Oh, I need the SDK for Android. Hmm. This is clip idle running in HTML5. Don't know why it's so blurry.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Okay.
The game does not work at all in HTML5. Yeah, it just doesn't work. Oh boy. Got my work cut out for me. I pushed the wrong play button. It's supposed to be the music play button. It was designed for the Windows executable.
Okay. 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 Okay.
How do I fix the choppiness?
Okay.
Why is it so choppy?
Okay. 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 Okay.
No good. Really no good. Let me see what else I could do. Make sure the game is using the correct GPU. How do I do that? Can you, like, work? I'm gonna see.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Oh, it's running like its old self again.
Okay. 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 Okay.
I fixed it.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I did it! Oh. Everything's good.
Thank you for everything.
I gotta make it so it doesn't jump to the other monitor every single time it resets. Alright. I'm gonna see what this is. Here, look at this. Huh? Oh, the build failed? Here it is in browser again.
Okay.
When it's in browser, it does not seem to speed up.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
If anything, it seems to decrease the frame rate. But it's the same stretches of time?
Okay.
Hmm. It's supposed to get faster, not slower.
Okay.
Should make it so I get bonk Harley in the head. That'd be funny.
Okay.
Or would that be mean? Let me know in the comments. No, no, no! It's got the speed reversed! It's supposed to go faster, not slower.
Okay.
It's functioning, but it's functioning in the wrong direction. Heh, feed. This is going to be interesting to fix. Go away. I might need to use delta time, which is what I tried to do before. The variable returns the frame delta time, which is the time difference between the previous frame and the current frame. This value is in microseconds, where 1 microsecond is 1/millionth of a second. The purpose of delta timing is to eliminate the effects of the lag or slowness of computers that try to handle complex graphics or a lot of code. It is a value that can be multiplied with the speed of objects so that they will eventually move at the same speed, regardless of lag. This is achieved in GameMaker by using the delta_time variable every step, as it measures the time that has passed between one step and the next in microseconds. Therefore, the variable delta time can be used to calculate how much faster, for example, a game character has to move to make up for a lag spike in the game. The above code will set the speed of the instance, taking delta time into account to correct for lag. I just excuse me. I just want to see if the settings that I changed are going to work for the HTML5. Because the game was completely broken. I check it. Here it is.
Okay.
No, it's still totally broken.
Okay.
I did not design it for HTML5.
Monster.
I just wonder if this is going to change it. Okay, it looks a little bit better already. Oh, that's the mask.
Oh no.
That's the mask that makes it only appear on certain parts of the screen, and it turns visible.
Oh no.
Okay, I'm not releasing it for HTML5. Absolutely not.
That's nice. And you're ready to flow.
Hmm. I'm gonna have to... How do I... I would love to be able to publish it on Android. How do I do that? You must always use the specific versions advised on the required SDK's FAQ, and do not assume newer tools that we list will be even better, as using newer SDK versions than GameMaker supports will quite possibly introduce build features you could have easily avoided if you followed this guide. Wow, so sassy. Install Android Studio? Okay. Blah, 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 blah. Does anyone ever read these things? I do think Clip Idle would be a great fit for mobile devices, so I would like to be able to publish it to mobile devices. So like Android. Apple too, but I don't have an Apple device, so it'd be very difficult for me to test it. Well, I do have an iPod Touch, but that's like ancient in smartphone years, so I doubt it'd be able to run. This is kind of... I don't know if I want to livestream this, because I'm not really doing that much. There's like a lot of stuff I'm doing off-screen. With Android Studio, it should simulate how Clip Idle's going to run on Android devices. Ideally, I'd like it to be able to run on all Android devices, not just ones with a GPU. Some people have asked about Clip Idle on Android. This wizard will set up your development... I guess I'll put it on the screen. The wizard will help export existing... Yes. Standard? Next. Alright. So it's an emulator. That's neat. I guess you gotta figure out how it runs on Android phone somehow. Because exporting it to your phone every time would be a drag. Bam, 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 bam. Alright, I'll just keep that on a different monitor. And in the meantime, I'm gonna open this up. Yeah, I'm not sure about this one. Not really doing much. Okay, it's installed. No devices found. Well, let me see. Let me see what the website says. Type in or select wherever you installed your SDK within Android Studio. So that'll probably be in the downloads folder. So it is in downloads. Preferences. Platform settings. No, the other one. Oh. So I need the NDK and the JDK. So I gotta install that stuff too. Download the NDK and tools. This is getting very complicated. Forget it. Just make the game and then I'll worry about that stuff later. Okay, where's my... Oh, wait, I know where it is. My pen. How's my stuff going? So I tried installing Android Studio on my computer for development purposes, and there's a lot more stuff I have to install if I want to import the game to Android phones. So I'm probably going to do that another time. Just trying to get the stuff to work is pretty confusing and stressful, and probably not very fun to watch. So I'm not really sure what to do. Yeah. Development isn't always fun. Yeah, so now I'm making a better sketch for the hands in the Rip and Tear minigame. I'm probably gonna paint these hands. Looking great, thank you. Legally distinct Doomslayer hands. Maybe I'll make them super pixelated like the old Doom games. That'd be kind of funny. Like if I paint them super high res and then shrink them down and then blow them back up again. And then that could kind of replicate the Doom sprites. Motorcycle hands. Yeah, I guess you could say that. Really, really early pass on these hands. Getting bored? No, I don't mean me. I mean the people watching this. I don't think they want to look at me troubleshooting stuff on a different monitor. Although, admittedly, it isn't always fun doing the technical stuff. But it's gotta be done. Having some second thoughts about live streaming the process. When it's sort of like easy for people to understand, but when I'm trying to like troubleshoot and code, I don't think people understand it. In fact, I barely understand it. So I'm like, I don't know. That's fine. I mean, there's always the chance that somebody who actually knows what they're doing comes in and then drops some advice. Happened a few times before. I was working on this game still, even. But that was when I was developing most of it. It was a lot more unfinished back then. We'll see. Yeah. I wanted to finish and release this game before the year ended, but I don't think that's gonna happen. Because I got sidetracked and I started learning Unreal. So this game kind of fell to the wayside for a bit. I'm happy I'm learning Unreal, but I feel like... Gotta finish what I started. Maybe make one more game in this engine. One or two more. Like, games that are made for 3D. I mean, 2D games. I really want to make a shmup, shoot 'em up. Like, Gradius. And I want it to be about wasps. And I imagined it being like an old Sega Genesis game. Aesthetically. And I think Game Maker will be a good fit for making that. Better fit for it than Unreal anyway. When I'm using Unreal, I kind of want to make something like Metroid Dread. Something that, like, it plays 2D, but it has, like, 3D cinematics. And they're, like, super cool. Ding dong, ding dong. It's gonna need another pass or two. I just want to get a rough idea of how the hands are gonna look. Oh, I did fix the frame rate issue. If you're not in advertisement land. Yeah, let's show it after the ad. I want to be sure everyone can see it. Oh, now that you're back, the ad's over. I can show that I fixed the frame rate issue. Oh, wait a minute. It's still exporting to Android. I can export it to Windows. So here's the game. I just clicked on a box in the preferences that says use the legacy settings, and now it works like its old self again. I'm like so proud of the laser eyes that I gave Harley. Oh man. That minigame's tough. I'm pretty proud of the different visual styles I gave everything. I'm not looking forward to doing the Five Nights at Freddy's minigame. I want that one to be pre-rendered 3D, like the proper games. But I know that's gonna take forever. Yeah, now it's running perfectly. It might be a little fast. Yeah, this is a little bit faster than I expected, like the usual. So I think it's still running at 60 frames per second. Except now it's cramming more microseconds into the 60 frames, so it's not increasing the frame rate, but it's adding more frames into it so that it goes faster. If that makes any sense. So hopefully that makes the game run less stupid. It does seem to work on, well, it half works on the Upper GX website. But, it does change speed, but it gets slower, not faster. Because I think the way it's interpreting the additional frames in the frame rate, instead of making it faster, it's making it, like, move at the same speed, but it has more frames in it, so it looks like it's in slow motion. That's my guess. Maybe there's a debug message that I can do for how many with a current frame rate. I could try it. I want Clipboard to be playable on as many devices as possible. Okay, so I made a debug that tells me the game's frame rate. Get out of here. Okay, so the number's 0. It looks better already. Oh, it only does it once. I gotta put it in the step function. Because then it could do it every frame. Which is what I want. Okay, so it's 0, 0, 0, 0. The debug log is down here. The 1 is actually the answer to which one I'm supposed to pick for that minigame. That's for testing purposes. I don't think that's what I'm looking for exactly. FPS real? I'm gonna see if that's what I'm looking for. What do these numbers mean? The numbers, Mason, what do they mean? Oops.
Oh no.
I was supposed to not die. Oops.
Okay.
Don't shoot. This one fakes you out, because sometimes you're supposed to not shoot the UFOs.
Okay. Okay.
I like that you can shoot more than one at a time.
Okay.
Depending on the position.
Okay.
The numbers seem to be about the same.
Okay.
Wow, I can barely do that. I might need to...
Okay.
Game's moving too fast. I could barely do this.
Oh no.
If I could barely do it, the player's not going to be able to do it.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, let me reset. Get a closer look at these numbers. You can't really see them because they're at the bottom.
Okay. 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 Okay.
It's a little hard to tell. Where's the music? What is this? This is my game, Clip Idol. It's a minigame collection. I've been working on it for a while. I've been doing this to learn how to make games. And so far, it feels like it's never going to come out. Well, what do you think? Just the process is what you've been told your whole life. Well, of course it's unfinished. I'm still working on it. This isn't the final art. Well, okay, this is. Oh, create executable? Yeah, I've actually very much like it, yeah. I mean, if I didn't like it, I wouldn't be making it. Oh, you like it. Thanks. Before I was trying to figure out how to port it to other devices besides Windows. Some people stopped by and asked if the game would come out on, like, mobile devices. But I'm not sure how to do that, because I've never done it before. I think it'd be a great fit for touchscreen devices. I just gotta figure out how to actually do that. But in the meantime... Oh, maybe I'll move this up. Is it like a timing game horror puzzle? The closest it is to that specific genre is the Five Nights at Freddy's parody minigame that I'm doing. This is all based on games that I see a lot of live streamers playing. So this one, the one I'm drawing right now, is for a Doom parody, where you're doing the glory kills. It's not really a streamer game, I just like Doom. So I'm making a Doom game. I think you're making a timing game where you jump over obstacles or roll through them, and it's like a Sonic shout-out. But I've been working on this game for so long that I kind of just want to make something else, so I might not actually get around to making that part. Maybe if Clip Idol turns into a full game, instead of just a little minigame collection. If you can't wait to play it on Steam if when it releases, or whatever it's going to be on, thank you so much. At this point, I might... I don't know, it feels a little hopeless right now. I felt this feeling before, though. Can't let that bother me. It's just a little game right now. I want to make more games. If I do release it on mobile devices, I might actually not put it on the App Store because I don't want to fill it with microtransactions. I don't think apps are allowed to be on the store unless they have microtransactions somehow. I just want this to be something people buy once and then they can enjoy it whenever they feel like. Which is what mobile devices have not become. They took a different route. A darker path. Oh, see you later, cat guy. I hope I finish this game. I will. I just don't know when. I'm still very much trying to cut my teeth making games. Not literally, of course, it's just a figure of speech. It means starting out. Have you ever cut your tooth before? It's very painful. IDK. I kind of want to start making that shmup. The shoot 'em up. That game I definitely want to sell. I'm having doubts about Clip Idol right now. I'm not sure if people would want to buy this. It's too tiny. I'm getting tired now. I've got class tomorrow. I have a test, a vocab test for Japanese. I didn't study very much. I'm like afraid I'm gonna not do well. Even though I'll probably do fine, I'm worried that I won't do well if I don't look at the flashcards. Huh. Cartoon splat sound. My favorite. I can't play it because my soundboard broke. Maybe it'll last for another. Maybe it'll last for Christmas. Or like money to get one. So this is opening a bag of potato chips. This is gonna be very funny. Oh wait, what if I made these real gloves and then I photograph my own hands and then I digitize those? And then I shrink them down and then reinflate them. Then it really looked like Doom. The old Doom. I'm trying to make the games as visually distinct as possible. Because whenever I see other indie WarioWare type games, I feel like it doesn't capture the feeling of being different games that were made by different people. The art style is too unified. I'm trying to capture the feeling of it being different games. Maybe I should draw concept art for the hand that I'm actually drawing. So that I know what the heck I am drawing. This is unrealistic, because the chips will not be hit this high up. At least half of the bag is filled with air. I hope people are willing to suspend their disbelief enough to know that it's a potato chip bag. Ad break. Probably use the opportunity to use the restroom. Maybe I'll just use it now. Also, I'm tired. I'm feeling a little out of it. Wait a minute. Why is it erasing? Oh, it's on the wrong layer. Alright, I'll be right back. No, the tablet's not walking off, I am. Life 2D, don't do this. Don't break the people's immersion. It's already bad enough they're seeing me make a game instead of playing it. Hello. I think the ad's done by now. I changed it back. I'm really tired though. I donned the drawing glove again, and then I start drawing, and then oh man, I have no energy left. If I don't have class tomorrow morning, I'd drink this coffee, but I do, so drinking is a bad idea. So this knuckle is ow, my shoulder. I think maybe I'll stop tonight. I'm beat. I have no energy left. Alright, thanks for watching, everyone. Sorry, stream wasn't so exciting. I feel like Clip Idol's not very exciting to see me make it. I don't think I've experienced enough in game development to make it entertaining. But yeah, good night.